We're going to take it in two stages. Stage number one, we're going to work out the area of this green face right here. And then stage number two, we're going to multiply it by the depth or the height, whatever you want to call it. So all together, we'll work out the volume. So before we do that, we have to work out this area in the front. It's going to be in meters squared, but we have to make a decision. The decision to where to put the incision. So the incision needs to be made so we can separate in two separate areas and then join them up together later, because you can't do it all in one go. Remember, area is length times breadth, and those two dimensions create the area. So taking a closer look here, where can we put the decision for the incision? Well, I think I could decide to make the incision right along there. What that means is we'll have that long oblong rectangular area here, plus this little square looking type of area right over here. Add them both together and we have the total area of the green face. Then we multiply by the depth and then we'll get the volume. So let's start with step number 2, which is to work out where we're going to put this incision. So I propose we put an incision right there. So that's the decision. So let me just put that incision in. Okay, incision is in. It is right there, chopped. So now we have two areas to work out. This long rectangle and this squarish shape right over there. Let's work them out individually. Okay, the first one here is, we're going to work out this long one, which is that times that, or here we got the units, 9 across there, times the height all the way up there, 30 meters. This is a gigantic block of concrete, isn't it? 9 times 30, so area 1, we'll call this one area 1. Area 1, and this one here, area 2. Okay, let's work out area 1. Area 1 equals length times breadth, which equals, let's put the numbers in there. So that's going to be 30 times across there, 9. So area 1 equals 30 times 9, 270. There's our first area 1 right over there. Let's go over to this one here. It's kind of squarish looking, but it's not quite a square. Let's take a closer look at the units. We have 9 across here, and the height here, you can transfer it back there. See that 8? From there to there is the same as from there to there. So those two, that height there is the same as that height there, so it's essentially 8. So that means 8 by 9 would be the area, yeah? Can you see that? 8 by 9, yeah? 8 times 9, let's write that down. So area 2 So area 2, right in there, that green spot there, to the left of the incision, 72 meters squared. That's a gigantic, enormous concrete block. Okay, we have our two areas. Now all we have to do is add them together. So area 1 plus area 2 equals the total area F for face. So the whole face in green equals 270 plus 72. So area in total for the face right over here in total is, in the calculator, 270 plus 72 gives you 342. All right, there's our area for the face. Now we have the face. All we need to do now is multiply that by the depth. The depth, how far? It's not that 8. The depth is coming right here. See that 10? That's the depth, because all these lines are essentially 10 all the way across if you transfer it. So let's write down the formula for volume now. So volume, area of the face, which is down here, right there, area of the face, times depth, or height if you prefer. So V equals area of the face, let's write that down, 342, times the depth, which is 10, which equals 342 times 10 all together for the volume. that equals the grand total of the whole block in cubic meters is 3,420 meters cubed.